pause a little bit because sometimes they put a commercial in front. But hi, I'm Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Today's little short video is going to be over how a multimeter gets turned on, the digital, a DVOM, Delta Victor Oscar Mike, digital volt ohm meter. I'll show you real quick. We're going to turn it around. This is your cheapie right here, okay? And when you turn it on, you should see a battery symbol and all that. So I'll turn it on. Turn the backlight on. See how that right there? Now watch it. Off. Unfortunately, when I turn it on, I can't have the light on. But see, it does a display. Watch. All the segments light up, see? Alright, so if it don't have this battery or you see it's flashing, then I wouldn't test with it, not even voltage or ohms. All right, so here we're going to look at it. This is a fused 10 amp, right? Max is 10 seconds each for 15 minutes. You got to let it cool off. 10 amps max. This is 50 milliamps max fused. V for volts. Upside down horseshoe is ohms. Let me see if I can get it better. There you go. See? And the little m with a big A is milliamps. And this is duty cycle frequency. Pretty neat. Okay, and it's a Cat 1 600 volts, Cat 2 300 volts. So how do you do it? Well, the common COM is the negative. This one with the V, the upside down horseshoe, little MA, and frequency is positive. This gets the positively when you're checking amps, but that's later. All right, so put you on pause. I'm just going to show you another meter. Okay, this is one that you can get at Lowe's, Home Depot. All right, I'm going to turn it on. Ready? Now watch the display. It does a self-check. All right, there's the back search. Now see, the battery light went off on that. Let's see if it has a battery light. Ready? You see it up there? Ready? It's kind of quick. Put you on pause. Okay, keep your eye right here in this corner. It actually has like a triple A battery. Right? I'm gonna turn it off. Put it back on. See it right there in the left? Right in that corner. Now it also does a self-digit test. It'll test all the displays, liquid crystal display, LCD. See, it's got all that stuff lit up. All right, right now it's on the AC voltage, little squiggly line. Okay, same way with this one. There's the V, there's upside down horseshoe, all right, which is ohms. This is continuity, the beep, and this is the diode check. Once again, COM. See what's common between them? Common. All right, I'm just showing you how to check your display. Right now it's on auto. If we check range, now watch, it'll go off of auto and see where the decimal is. It's going to be a little pain in my butt, huh? Right there. All right, now watch, I'm going to hit range again, the range button. Watch the decimal move. Okay, watch it move again. Now we're getting up higher and higher voltage. We're lower voltage now because that's tens, hundreds, thousands. That's like up to 9.99 volts. That's up to like 99.9 AC volts. And that's like big time, 999 volts AC. Woo! Kicking butt. All right, so put you on pause. Now I'm going to show you a fluke. All right. Volts with a squiggly lines AC, volts with a little dots, with a straight line is DC, millivolts AC, ohms, upside down horseshoe, continuity, right? The beeper, beep, and then the diode check. And then there's capacitance and frequency, hertz, and percentage. Okay, so watch when I turn it on. All right. Let me put it on pause. Okay, I want you to look once again over here. You're going to see like a little AAA battery. Here we go. Ready? All right, so you see it was low. And when it gets low, it's going to flash